Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how I faced the problem when opening an example scene on Lumion version 9. For some info before I find out the solution, I have tried many ways to fix this, including reinstall, delete all the leftover files on local or roaming folder, and even clean up with third-party uninstaller. All doesn't work. Here I'll show you the error. So I will navigate to the example scenes. I'll select the wildcard style. Yeah, it crashed. So here's my solution. What I would do is to check on the task manager. Lumion application is not running. You will need to move all the library contents from this path to another location, which is new folder on my desktop. What I'm gonna do is to open on the library contents and cut it. Then move to that new folder which is I have created before, and that's it. Now reopen the applications and check the result. Okay, I will select the same sample, which is wildcard style. Yeah, it's working. I'll click on the render photo. Keep it default. Seems like it's good news. Thank you for watching. If you found this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.